Cathode rays were discovered by William Crookes during his experiment with a discharge tube, and J.J. Thornton discovered that they consist of negatively charged particles called electrons. Cathode rays are produced in what we call a discharge tube, also called a cathode ray tube. This tube consists of a glass tube with the cathode and the anode on the either sides. And this tube is connected to what we call a vacuum pump. This pump will pump out the air and reduce the pressure. Then this tube is connected to a high voltage source and supported on the stand. So inside this tube, the setup is connected to a high voltage source which will supply a voltage of about 10 to 20 kV, and the air is pumped out to reduce the pressure to about 0.0001 millimeters of mercury. And once that is achieved, Crook discovered a striking rays, and these rays were called the cathode rays. Let us look at properties. The first one is they travel in a straight line. Now to show this, we obtain an object, and in this case we use a Maltose cross. When it's placed in the path of cathode rays, a shadow is produced on the other side of the tube, and that shows they travel in a straight line. They are negatively charged. To show this still, we shall get two plates, positively charged and negatively charged, and what was discovered was they are deflected towards the positively charged plate, showing that they are negatively charged. They are deflected by a magnetic field. To show this still, we get a magnet, put it on one side of the tube, and the beam will deflect towards the magnet. They form X-rays when stopped by matter. We shall look at that in details later. They are particle in nature and they possess kinetic energy. When a wheel panel is placed in the path, as you can see, the wheel pedal will rotate, meaning they have kinetic energy. Okay, so the particle nature here, you discover that now the particles of the cathode rays will come, and as the particles come, they are going to collide with the particles of the wheel pedal. Since these particles are moving, they have momentum with them, and as a result they are going to transfer the momentum to that of the wheel panel, and that will cause the wheel panel to rotate. Okay, so in summary, what have we looked at in the video? We have seen that cathode rays are fast moving electrons. Then the properties we have seen are they are negatively charged, they are deflected by both magnetic and electric fields, and possess kinetic. For watching.